Do it. Feet on your pedals. You can do it. And then you just got to straighten it out once you're on the ramp. You did it. You did it.
Sprocket's a little big, but you did.
It is. It was kind of hard. You almost wiped, but you didn't. Way to go.
Now you can do it.